I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox.
Yes, people, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. People, wanna get ready, you know. Melissa is coming. You understand? If you look on the graph, you see me? Yo, me I tell you, she go right through the middle of Jamaica, you know. It look like, say, yo, she that will have vacation out in the sea or something. But, yo, I feel like this one gonna be dangerous, people. Me I tell you, this one are gonna be dangerous. You see me? And if you look on her wind speed, 100 miles per hour. You see me? Yeah, man. She a creep. And remember, you know, it's so long she out in the Caribbean Sea. Imagine she a move at this speed over Jamaica. You understand? It not gonna be normal. You see it around Monday, Tuesday, so. Yeah, man, she go ready up. You see it, but I don't know. Melissa is like a online girl where you meet, and you see me, it's like Jamaica meet her online, and it's like when them for meet up, it's like she take a while for meet up Jamaica. You understand? But she take a while, but she take her time creep up. You see me? She try gym squeegee. Come a Jamaica yard. You understand? But me just feel like she go lead Jamaica away when she, you see me? To Jamaica. But yo, it go forward with some winds and rains and all of the people them, boy, the zinc roof them and them make sure say them nearly fresh, because me I tell you that one here nah go normal. I feel like that one here go more dangerous than Gilbert and Ivan. Even Beryl. You understand? Because this, boy, me I tell you see all a part of Cuba and them place there, me I tell you see me, Clarendon, boy, me I tell you, when Clarendon done, Clarendon I go turn in a swamp. Me I tell you, because yo, this the hurricane and not go normal, and they must say like yo is by the time reach like category 4. Jano people, boy, God go you know, but Jano, I don't know how everybody are gonna stand with this one, but please just pray to God. Me I tell you, just pray to God so the hurricane start move more faster and don't move slow, cause trust me, a lot of people is gonna feel it. You understand? A lot of people are gonna feel it. You see it, because me I tell you people, Melissa is dancing. She's dancing ballet in the sea, coming to Jamaica. She's dancing. She's not walking in a people. You understand? She stopped for a few nights at a motel. You understand? Now she's dancing towards Jamaica. You understand? She's, as we say, she's doing a catwalk. She's modeling. You understand? Because there's no way a hurricane, it's the first in history, a hurricane in coming to Jamaica takes so long. Remember, you know, from weeks, they must say, all right, but Thursday, Friday, it's supposed to be here. Oh no, Melissa cannot reach. You understand? Jamaica been calling Melissa, and she stopped at a motel in the Caribbean Sea. You understand, people? But people, remember, say, button down on the windows, put some black or something on the zinc, because trust me, Melissa is Jim Squeeching. Me I tell her when she a Jim Squeeching, you don't know how that stay. Is a deadly Jim Squeeching. The trees them, make sure say the trees them, no tree in the near no house. You understand? No trees at the house, people. Please, me I beg you. And please, so God, we just hope that nobody lose their life. You understand? Trust me, I don't want to hear that over the news. You understand, people? And please, run for cover. You understand? If you know you live in a swampy area, please put some black or something under you guys' bed, or you know, try to put all the house items more higher in the house. If your house usually flood when there's rain falling and those stuff, please people, please, I'm begging you. I want you all to be safe. You understand? Yes, small and sweet and nice wood and water Jamaica. Yes, it's the heart of the world. And we don't, you know, we don't want to hear a lot of people, all the kids, parents, please, I'm begging you, secure these kids, make sure they're safe. You understand, people? If you don't have no candle, no lamp, no lights, who have no generator, no solar thing, all of these things, secure them. I know say the whole of the supermarket them kind of heavy. You understand, in a way where right now no bread, all these things, but I'm just glad that everybody gets something to eat, because I think they said this storm going to be here for 5 days. You understand? Them expecting it because remember it's from last week, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, like so, you know. Going into Friday, we're supposed to expect it, and today's what? Going into Sunday, and we don't really see anything yet. So if you measure that time when it reach from the shores of Jamaica, remember, you know, Melissa is very thick. You understand? Melissa been out there in the Caribbean Sea going to gym. You understand? So she's very thick. So when she reach at the shore of Jamaica, right? She's going to, trust me, she's going to be heavy. You understand? So I don't know. Decking roof or what, slab roof? Yeah. But the zincs, trust me people, it's not gonna be a normal thing. And all of the people living in the areas that always be flooding, all the gully side people, please, I'm begging you, prepare y'all furnitures in the house because it's going to be a lot of water gushing through the gullies. And I hope the government put in place some stuff that, you know, could clear all these gully in time, because this is one of our major problem in Jamaica, the gutters. You understand? That is a problem. We need to clean the gutters so the waters can flow through, so that you don't have any blockage. You understand? To cause flooding and all these things. But trust me people, Melissa, she's coming, may I tell you. And as me say, she's dancing her way here, and she been strengthening up. You understand? Going to the gym and stuff. Yes, she's very stubborn. You understand? Melissa is very, very stubborn. Like, people, it's very stressing for to see a hurricane so close to us. Trust me, and it taking so long to reach. It's very stressing because look here, it put people panicking, getting stuff. You know, they don't know what to do. It's like people just want Melissa to come and go. You understand? Because this is the thing. Melissa is gonna cause a lot of bills and expenses. You understand? And we don't want her to stay long. You understand? This is not a motel. You understand? So she have to just roll through and go away. You understand? She have other places to go. And you know, I hope those countries or cities or whatever try to prepare for her because she's coming. You understand? It's not a good thing. But people, if you look at the weather forecast, I'm telling you, and I feel like when I think they say when she reach like up, you know, in the US border side, it's gonna be kind of cool and stuff, you know, because she, you know, you don't know, she's, you know, she just passed through Jamaica, fresh air, cool breeze, all of these things. So by the time she reach in the US, you know, she gonna fresh and, you know, freshen up. She coming from the gym, strengthening the Caribbean Sea. You understand? But people, trust me, I want everybody to stay safe. Don't no lingering outside. I know Jamaicans tend to use this trend thing on the social media. I don't want to see nobody doing no fake news report and then boom, a tree drop in the head or a zinc fly. And you understand, this is no final destination. Please stay safe. You understand? And all my fans, Media Fox fans, news report, watching Melissa coming to us. Please people, be safe. All of my fans. Be safe. If you live in Jamaica, if you live in St. Kitts, the Caribbean country, if you live in the UK, if you live in America, please. We know Melissa is not coming by you, but please just put out some prayer for us. Yes. And whenever Melissa is gone, you know, you can send you a little, you know, because trust me, she's very expensive. Melissa is very expensive, people. You understand? But if you look at this wind right here, yes, Melissa is likely to pass well to the east of Florida as a cold front deep south. You understand? We'll usher in the cooler dry air for Halloween by to the end of the week. You understand? Because you don't know Halloween, you know. Trust me, but Melissa is taking too long now. Been calling her and she's not answering her phone. You understand? The tropical. Just look at what's going on with Melissa, people. She's dancing like, you know, gym workout, lot of red and green. The pressure, that's a pressure, people. Splashing everything. You understand? She's taking long, man. She's taking very long. You understand? Look how close she did to Jamaica, and it's like we have to be here crying out. You understand? You know, Cuba and Bahamas. Oh my God. All those countries up there, I don't know how they're gonna manage, because by the time Melissa reached there and she full her belly in Jamaica, trust me, she get her jerk chicken, her jerk. You understand? It's gonna full on her coconut water, gonna wash off her heart. That's gonna only make she get stronger. You understand, people? But please, I'm begging the people, you got to stay safe out there. Stay safe, because this one, people, trust me. This one, I think maybe this, if she going to move like this and give so much trouble, people, it's not gonna be normal, may I tell you, because she moving very slowly, right? So imagine she dancing in Jamaica room. You understand? Dancing, and I don't want Melissa to stuck here because she's very expensive. You understand? There's gonna be a lot of spending, and I don't think Jamaica can afford that right now. And remember this, people. It's the first, well, Christmas is coming up, people. You understand? Christmas is coming up, and we don't want everybody get a lot of damage where, you know, when Christmas come, they can't buy their family a meal because house demolish, and then they have to go rebuild house. Maybe some people have to go borrow loan. All of these things is not a good thing. You understand? So people, you got to stay safe out there. People, remember all the people that have their Land Rovers, their Benz, their Mark X, their CRV. You understand? All those luxurious cars, their Porsche, Bentley, Lamborghini. You understand? Mustang, Hellcat, all those cars that in Jamaica, please cover them up, put them in your driveway and all these things, because things gonna be flying. Zinc, everything. Trust me, people, because when Melissa is dancing, it's causing a lot of things. You understand? So please, I'm begging the people. And it's moving. She's moving very strongly. Trust me. And she been strengthened recently. She is growing and getting, you know, more thicker. You understand? Yes, she's growing and getting more thicker. But I heard that a few planes leave from Bahamas, I think. And I heard that a lot of, you know, students who go to the university in Jamaica, UA, I heard that they get, I think their government in St. Kitts also send some private plane for them, you know, so they could leave the country, because people, trust me, Melissa is like this. She's a silent river running deep. You understand? It's the first hurricane we see that takes so long. Like, we've been watching her dancing how long. You understand? One of the time, Melissa does the one place, and she's just dancing, people. You understand? Trust me. People, just stay safe out there, people. Please, I'm begging you. Hopefully, you know, people don't get major damage and nobody lose their life. Yes, people. And you understand, it's gonna be a sad moment. Trust me, sad moment. There's a lot of hurricane coming here, and you know, but I feel like Melissa is just sneaking up on us. Like, it's the first we hear waiting, and you know, I understand. It's like this. For example, people, it's like this. You know, you have, you know, a female that, you know, you're going out, and you know, she take a long while to put on makeup. But Melissa is this one where she put on a lot of makeup, and it's taking long. You understand? Yes, cause a lot of problem. You're late. All of these things, damage. You understand? So people, the sea is gonna rough. You understand? I see, you know, I see some gutters cleaning out and some gullies and all of these things. Parents, keep the babies safe, and you know, if you don't have shutters, shut them. The people who live in the area, like, you know, like the more lower class area, you know, there's a lot of zinc fence, a lot of these things. I don't know how you guys gonna kind of make those zinc firm, but Melissa is dancing. You understand? So people, this she's not missing us. I'm telling you, people, she is not missing us. Especially females from other places love Jamaica. So Melissa is coming. She's coming for a vacation, and she's staying for a few days. That's why she's taking so long to reach. You understand? And trust me, she's dancing, man. But people, you got to stay safe out there. Make sure you go to the hardware and get stuff. Yeah, make sure you go to the hardware. You understand? Yeah. Hardware and get your hammer, whatsoever, you know, your little generator, your little power station, all of these things. Cause people don't buy a lot of meat, because if we have a power outage, when the fridge defrost, the meat, better you guys buy some tin stuff. You understand? Make sure you have gas when you can warm up food and all of these things. Yeah, that would be good. You understand? Or if it's indoor and have some coal pot or something, yes, that would be good. Remember, save your lights. People, remember this as well. If you have a Netflix account, download some movie. You understand? Download some movie so you guys can watch it. You're in the storm in the night, and you can watch a series. Download a lot of movie, because we don't know how long Melissa gonna dance. It seems like she want to come here and spend a little vacation. She don't even wait till she has spent an early Christmas vacation. But as I say, people, download some Netflix movie, so if the internet down or whatsoever, you can have movies to watch. It's a good thing. Lockdown, whosoever lockdown with their husband, you know their boyfriend or their girlfriend or their wife. You understand? Good to watch a nice little series, little movie. you know something got to be done to kind of take your mind off of the situation. But it's gonna be a very, very devastating situation. You understand, Melissa? I don't know what Jamaica do you understand, but he's been calling you how long? Jamaica been calling you, and you're not picking up the phone. You understand? You're not telling me your location or what you're about to do, or you understand? You keep on stopping at motels. But people, be safe out there. You understand? And this is just a little, news report, media facts. You understand? Respect to all, everyone. Be safe. God bless you. Yes, thank you everyone for the support. Blessings. That is it.